There is a motorcycle so fast that when it launched, governments around the world actually got nervous about it. That bike is the Suzuki Hayabusa, and even today it still turns heads like nothing else on the road. The name comes from the Japanese peregrine falcon, the fastest bird alive. Suzuki picked that name because when this bike first came out in 1999, it was the fastest production motorcycle on the planet, hitting 194 miles per hour. That was not just impressive, that was historic. The design is something else entirely. While most modern superbikes look sharp and aggressive, the Hayabusa looks smooth and almost organic, like it was shaped by the wind itself. The current version launched in 2021 and keeps that same iconic flowing body style that people have loved for decades. It is one of those rare designs that never really looks old. The engine is a 1,340 cubic centimeter, 4-cylinder producing around 190 horsepower. And what makes it special is not just the power, it is how that power is delivered. It does not punch you in the chest like some bikes do. It just builds and builds in this smooth, unstoppable wave that before you know it has you going very fast, very quickly. It is almost relaxing in a strange way, which sounds crazy for a bike this powerful, but that is genuinely what it feels like. The 2021 model also brought in a proper electronics package with traction control, multiple power mode, launch control, and even hill hold assist, which is something you almost never see on a bike like this. Suzuki clearly wanted more people to be able to enjoy it without it feeling intimidating. Now the honest part. The Hayabusa weighs around 582 pounds, and you do feel that in tight corners or city traffic. This is not a track day weapon. It is not built for that. But on an open highway or a long motorway run, it is absolutely in its element, sitting at high speeds with a calmness that bigger bikes do their best work with. The riding position is also more upright than a typical sport bike, so your back and wrists are not in pain after a long ride. Fuel economy sits around 40 to 45 miles per gallon, which for this much power is pretty solid. Compared to the Kawasaki ZX-14R, which is its closest rival, the Hayabusa wins on brand reputation and that intangible cool factor. The ZX-14R is slightly cheaper, but it does not carry the same legacy. The BMW S 1000RR will beat it on a racetrack, but that is a completely different type of machine for a different type of rider. The price sits at around $18,000 to $19,000 US, which for everything you are getting is actually fair. The Hayabusa is best for experienced riders who want one bike that can do it all. Long trips, weekend blasts, daily riding, and the occasional moment where you just open it up on an empty road and remember why you fell in love with motorcycles in the first place. It is not perfect, but it has character, history, and performance that very few bikes can match.